Leg spin, the art form of cricket that mesmerizes, confuses, and conquers. It's an art that has often been misunderstood and sidelined in Bangladeshi cricket. But today, we introduce you to a cricketer who is redefining the game with his leg spin mastery and fearless attitude, Rishad Hussain. Rishad Hussain, a 6'3" leg spinner with the courage to defy the norms, has emerged as a beacon of hope for Bangladesh cricket. His journey from a small town to the international stage is nothing short of inspiring. Imagine the mindset of a typical Dhaka club official, in a league where the primary goal is survival and success. There's little room for risks. Leg spinners, with their potential to leak runs, are often overlooked in favor of the safer, more economical left-arm orthodox spinners. The Dhaka Leagues, the lifeblood of Bangladesh cricket, shape the nation's cricketing future. Their decisions ripple across the entire cricketing landscape, influencing everything from player selection to playing styles. Between 1988 and the start of 2023, only 2 genuine leg spinners represented Bangladesh on the international stage. This backward mindset has cost Bangladesh dearly, especially in the modern era where leg spin is a crucial weapon in white ball cricket. When Rishad made his T20 debut against Ireland, few took notice, but in just 12 months, he has cemented his place in the team with remarkable performances both with the ball and the bat. Rishad's performance in the T20 series against the USA was nothing short of spectacular. He might have taken only 4 wickets, but his economy rate of 4.40 was the best by a Bangladeshi bowler in a bilateral series away from home. His towering presence, combined with his ability to hit sixes from the lower order, makes him a formidable all-rounder. In an interview with Stuart Law, the USA coach said, "They don't really trust leg spinners in Bangladesh. But Rishad bowled beautifully today, showing that you don't need to turn the ball square, just enough to make it difficult." Rishad's journey has been a series of baby steps, each one building his confidence and skill. His performance in New Zealand and the BPL, coupled with his fearless batting, has made him a crucial player for Bangladesh. "You need to have a bit of courage to bowl in international cricket," Rishad said. "I want to play fearless cricket for Bangladesh, no matter how long I play." Moving to Shenepukur Cricket Club was a turning point for Rishad. He took 23 wickets at an average of 12.73, leading his team to the Super League for the first time in their history. "I think Rishad is a fantastic cricketer. We couldn't take care of him at Abhani, but he has flourished at Shenepukur. Bangladesh will always benefit from the type of bowler Rishad is," Khalid Mahmood, ex-Bangladesh captain, said. Khalid Mahmood also believes, with the guidance of legends like Mushtaq Ahmed and the support of his coaches and teammates, Rishad is honing his skills and preparing to make a significant impact at the T20 World Cup. Rishad himself doesn't want to think too far. "I don't expect too much from the World Cup. I want to play to the best of my ability. The rest is up to Allah's wishes." Rishad Hussain is more than just a cricketer. He is a symbol of change, courage, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As he continues to break the mold, he inspires a new generation of cricketers to believe in the art of leg spin and the power of fearless cricket. Stay tuned to witness the rise of Rishad Hussain and the revolution of leg spin in Bangladesh cricket. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting cricket stories and analyses.